All right, so I'm going to show you today how to use the LevelGen Designer level editor for the Cerebrum projects in Unity. So these are really just for figuring out the level layout in the game. So first off, we have this is the basic level editor page. So the main column you'll need to focus on is column C. And you'll see here in the yellow we have the drop-down menu, and that is where all the room layouts are set up. So for example, we have base 3, we'll have a set of beds, and other areas that it'll load assets into. And then you'll see in the white columns, those are the ones, white and yellow are where you can edit things. So I would say this could be like patient bed 1, or operating table 1, or examination bed 1. So these are the different types of beds, and each thing has a different set of categories. So we can load in a sheet automatically. We go into LevelGen importer, but you'll see here that the dropdown is empty for the different file names, and we can fill those in LevelGen files. And I'll just empty that out. So what you can do is you can automatically fill this in by getting the source ID here and filling that in, which is located here. It is the last part of the folder's URL. So you'll just fill that in here, and then you'll click on this button, and it'll automatically fill in. And you'll see that this list here will be repeated right here. So we can choose the file that we want to import, and I'll be importing news.txt. So again, you'll see that this is empty. When I fill this in, the button, it goes down the list. It fills in the appropriate positions with different assets. Again, you can change this to modify it, but right now I will show what this would look like in the Unity scene. So we can export that. And I will overwrite an existing file, but I will not do news.txt. This here is automatically filled in to fit what you've imported, but I will change it to LevelGen test 2. I'll save this file. All right, and now I will go to the Unity scene, and you'll see here the random generator. It uses LevelGen test2.txt. I could change this, but we'll keep it that. And so I'll run it. And this is what the scene looks like, just so you can get a good bird's eye view. I'm running it in the Unity editor, but in the WebGL build that you'll be using, it will you'll also be able to change the file name, or change the file rather, to different setups. Right now we have the 5 beds, and so you'll see back in the editor we have 5 beds here, and it's all numbered here. So whenever there are multiple of the same kind of parameter to fill for the room, it'll be differentiated by the number next to it, so that there are 5 beds, and so it goes all the way up to the last number. And so that's how you can differentiate it in the files and keep things separate. So I'm going to get rid of the last bed and its adjoined monitor stand. Now once again, export it to LevelGen Test 2. And so whenever I go into the Unity scene, and I can pause and take a look from bird's eye view, and you can see that it is empty in this space because we got rid of number 5. So that's basically how you can edit things. And if you wanted to, you could change it to a different type of bed, such as a examination bed. And I can put another monitor stand next to it and export that. Again, you'll see he's standing here a little hunched over, but you'll see that it changed the type of bed that was listed here. And so that's how you can use this to get different results. And that will be it for today's presentation. So thank you very much, and let us know if you have any questions. Thank you.